What I got out of the conference is really two things. Number one, knowledge. And then number two, relationships.
Well, so far today I've learned about some new tools. I've learned about some legal aspects to what we do with social media. So I'm still all ears.
One of the things that this particular symposium does, it really gives us a way to, number one, listen to some of the new tactics that hackers are actually trying to use in order to gain access to your data. And you get a chance to network and meet a lot of people who are in the industry, so you can share and learn knowledge about things that they're doing.
So far, I've had the opportunity to meet a lot of other cybersecurity officers that I had not been introduced to before. So being able to share those ideas and being able to really collaborate at this conference and now post-conference is really great.
Anytime I go to a cybersecurity symposium, if I come away with one nugget, that's been a fantastic day for me. So I listen to these different organizations, what they're doing, what holes they're filling, and for me that's just, benefits all up and down.
So having a chance to present and mingle with a group like this of my peers, officers of the company, people who are looking to advance their companies and who are looking to advance their security protections, and at the same time being really challenged by the highly technical teams and the teams who really understand the tech stack, it's really refreshing, and it's unique, I think, to this conference.